Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about something that happens in almost every company, but no one likes to admit it. Why managers purposely inflate budgets? Let's break down in a simple and honest way. Information bias basically means your numbers are wrong in a consistent way, too high, too low, or just distorted. And if your numbers are off, your decisions will be off too. Pretty simple. When a manager bumps up expenses on purpose, the company ends up planning based on fake numbers. That means money gets allocated to the wrong places, and the budget doesn't reflect reality at all. So yeah, that's information bias. Alright, the big question. Why do managers do this? Because it makes their lives easier. If they overestimate expenses, they build a cushion, or what we call budget slack. And that slack makes it way easier to hit their targets and look good on paper. Plus, many companies give bonuses if a manager meets the budget. So yeah, people game the system. Here's a super simple example. Let's say a manager knows they will spend around 80,000, but when they submit the budget, they put down 100,000. And later, they spend 82,000 and boom, they look like they saved 18,000. But we all know they didn't actually save anything. The budget was inflated from day one. Inflating budgets sounds small, but it adds up. It messes up planning, it wastes money, and it creates this culture where no one trusts the numbers. And honestly, if the budget isn't real, all the decisions based on it won't be real either. Here's the quick summary. Inflating budgets creates information bias. Managers often do it on purpose, mainly for slack. Better controls and more transparency can reduce budget manipulation. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.